With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, we have a question here. The question says a body of mass m is tied to one end of a spring and wheeled around a horizontal plane with constant angular velocity and elongation in the spring is 1 centimeter. So what the question is saying is that a body of mass m is tied to one end of a spring. So there is a spring and there is a mass m. So it is tied to it and wheel around a horizontal plane. So it is going through a circular motion in a horizontal plane and its angular velocity is constant, elongation is given 1 centimeter. The angular velocity is doubled, the elongation in the spring becomes 5 centimeter. So after this, if the angular velocity is doubled, that is it's 2 times of initial velocity, then the elongation gets 5 centimeter. The original length of the spring we have to find out. So now let us do this question. So let L is original length of that spring. So this is original length of spring. So now there is a centripetal force acting on the spring, that is F is equals to mv square divided by r. This will be mr into angular velocity omega square. So this is the equation we know. But when the spring is elongated, there is a restoring force. This force is due to the spring, which is equals to k into x, that is x is the elongation. So now we can write these two are equal, these two will be equal after the elongation. So we can write what will be the force after elongation, centripetal force. This will be m l plus 1 because elongation is 1 centimeter into omega square. This will be k, x in x is equals to 1 centimeter, so this will be k into x and or simply k. So this is our equation 1 when the angular speed is not doubled. So after doubling speed, after doubling angular speed, we can write what we will write. Omega dash is the new angular speed. This will be 2 times the original speed. Now this is the elongation after the doubling of the angular speed is given as 5 centimeter. Now L2 will be the second length. This will be L plus 5. So let this be R2. So now what we will do, because we know that this force, restoring force in the second case will be now equals to m this radius r2 into omega square. So now let us put all the values. So this will be k into x dash and this will be m l plus 5 into square of 2 omega is 4 omega square. So now this will be equals to 5 times k because x is how much? 5 centimeter. So now if we solve this further, we can write 4m omega square l plus 5. This will be 5 times k, that is spring constant. So what is happening here? Let us see. So this is equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2, if we divide these two equations, dividing equation 2 by equation 1, let us divide those two. Dividing equation 2 by equation 1, we can write 5k divided by k. This will be equals to 4m omega square into L plus 5. This will be divided by m omega square into L plus 1. So now these two k's will be cancelled out. Then m omega square will be also cancelled out. Then we will get the equation like this. We will get 5l plus 5. This will be 4l plus 20. Now if we simplify this, we will get L is equals to 20 minus 5. This will be 15 centimeter. So after the angular velocity is doubled, we are getting the original length 15 centimeter. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.